Nonna Pia, what are you making today?
I'm making meatball.
Special Nonna Pia meatballs?
Yes, you watch.
I miss your meatballs, Nonna.
You want to take it home tonight. I put salt in, not too much. And I put pieces of garlic.
Nonna Pia's knife skills, the best.
They're strong enough, they're old.
Yeah, you know how to cut. Professional.
Now I got the parsley.
Cut up the parsley. There goes the parsley.
Put the Romano cheese.
Anything else?
I gotta soak this a little bit.
What is that?
Bread, my bread.
Your bread. That's the secret.
I don't like the breadcrumbs.
All right.
I use them. I'll show you what.
You make your own breadcrumbs.
I'm so glad you're here to see it. Respect.
Yeah. Make the breadcrumbs. Oh, squeezing the bread. There goes the breadcrumbs.
Everybody like my meatball.
I know. They're really, really good.
And I gotta put the eggs. I put 6.
6 eggs.
Everything is in there.
Now we gotta mix with the mixer.
No.
Ah, the hands. Of course, I forgot. Add a little store breadcrumb too.
You
Mix
know
it all
why?
up.
They're very dry. They stick together.
Ah, okay. It's all ready?
Yeah.
Now, how do you roll the perfect meatball, Nonna? There she goes, Nonna Pia's meatballs. Beautiful. Got a lot of work to do.
Put oil.
There goes the oil.
We're not gonna use all one time.
There's a lot of
We're gonna
meatballs.
take some home.
All right, I'll take it home. There they go. Okay.
See that, boy?
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna turn it around now.
Oh, mannaggia. All right, Nonna, all done?
Almost there.
Beautiful. Look at all those meatballs, Nonna. Wow.
We put them on the sauce and some that you take it home.
Okay, thank you. All right, Nonna, you transferred the meatball in the sauce?
I put a meatball and you want
Wow, look at that.
I let it cook a little bit.
Okay. Can I have one to try?
Yeah. You want one or
Just
two?
one. Thank you.
See. Yeah, dry. I put a sauce.
Finish with the sauce. Time to eat. Bellissimo. Great job, Nonna.
Look.
So good.
Isn't that beautiful?
So fresh.
Gotta
Amazing.
bring it upstairs. We're gonna eat upstairs.
All right, thank you.